Question number 1, dash in this case. Projects are designed by computer specialists with the objective of establishing what are the tasks and steps to be designed and specified a service or product that will then be introduced to the market in order to be marketed. Well reasoned. Informatic project is the correct choice.
Question number 2. In standard calendar, a project is made up of 2 tasks. Task 1 lasts 12 days and is the predecessor. Task 2 lasts 16 hours. What is the duration of the tasks if they are linked to FC?
Nicely done. 14 dias is a solid answer.
Question number 3. Reference point that marks an important event of a project and is used to supervise its progress. It is not counted as time within the planning of the project.
Nice work. You chose milestone and it is correct.
Question number 4. This phase includes the necessary processes to monitor, review and monitor the project progress. This phase is naturally associated with the execution step.
Good job. Your answer monitoring and control works well here.
Question number 5. Cloud project management program that makes it easy to create projects and collaborate on them, regardless of whether you are a product manager is dash dash. Clear logic. Your choice internet project is sound and 100% true.
Question number 6. What is the default view of a new project in Microsoft Project?
Perfect. Gantt view is the correct choice. Question number 7. Stage in which the formal delivery of the project is carried out to the applicant, together with the documentation that was generated throughout it. Sharp thinking. Closing is the right choice.
Question number 8. Microsoft Project lets you customize the calendar for.
Well done. All of the above is the right choice.
Question number 9. Specify the correct order and sequence of these 3 typical processes of any project to manage.
You chose tasks, resources, costs, and it is correct. Question number 10. The work that needs to be accomplished to deliver a product, service, or result with specified features and function refers to. Smart move. Project scope is an accurate answer.
Question number 11. The chain of linked tasks that affect the completion of the project. If any of them is delayed, the entire project is called.
You got it. Your choice critical rata is right. Question number 12. The project manager can view the list of employees working in the project together with their salary per hour at the. Good thinking. Resource sheet is the right answer. Question number 13. What is one of the key features of Microsoft Project related to planning and programming? Excellent. Network diagram is a brilliant choice.
Question number 14. What is one of the collaboration and communication tools offered by Microsoft Project?
Correct response. Project sharing is the most accurate answer. Question number 15. The standard of something as measured against other things of a similar kind refers to. Solid response. Project quality is a valid choice.
Question number 16. An employee who plans and organizes the resources necessary to complete a project.
Right choice. Project manager is the best answer.
Question number 17. It is a tool to manage a project where tasks, resources, and time are assigned.
Excellent choice. Microsoft Project is the right answer.
Question number 18.
What is one of the advantages of using Microsoft Project in project management?
You're right. Operational efficiency is the correct answer.
Question number 19. The following factors can affect the start and finish date of a project, except.
Nice selection. Quality standard is the correct and valid answer.
Question number 20. Which of the following is not an example of recurring tasks in a project? Strong choice. Project handover is the right answer. Question number 21. What does Microsoft Project allow to do in terms of resource management? Great thinking. Resource allowance is the right choice. Question number 22. A task has to be done on a specific day. How did project be indicated?
Valid point. Put the restriction, the dash, must begin, is true.
Question number 23. Define sequence of steps that achieve an identified goals refers to. Bravo. Project management is the answer.
Question number 24. What facilities do Microsoft Project offer for resource management?
Correct. Resource allowance is the right answer.
Question number 25. During which project management phase is client communication key?
On track. All phases is the correct answer. Question number 26. Which of the following are not part of a project plan? Smart pick. Scope creep and change requests is the correct choice.
Question number 27. The type of tasks that comes in project by default is?
Right again. Fixed units is a valid answer. Question number 28. Microsoft Project will assist the project manager to. Exactly. Communicate the status of the project easily makes sense, and it is right choice. Question number 29. Where is the labor calendar in Microsoft Project? Great job. Microsoft Project is the accurate answer. Question number 30. What year the last version of Microsoft Project? Well picked. 2016 is the correct answer.
Question number 31. In which project view the resources are created?
Exactly. Resource sheet makes sense, and it is right choice.
Question number 32. What are the resources to be used in a project?
You chose work cost or material, and it is correct. Question number 33. How many baselines can you have in project? Smart pick. 11 is the correct choice. Question number 34. Saving and creating a project is possible. On track. A and B is the correct answer.
Question number 35 in project are all human resources.
Good thinking. Work resources is the right answer.
Question number 36. What are the phases of a project?
Valid point. Home, planning, execution, supervision, and closure is true.
Question number 37. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format? Well reasoned. Contact Narayan Changda is the correct choice.